Hi guys, how to remove background noise in Audacity. Now, highlight a small section of your audio track, around 2 to 5 seconds, where there is only background noise and no talking. This is the most important step. If you pick a section with your voice, the noise removal will fail. Click on Effect at the top menu, navigate to Noise Removal and Repair. Select Noise Reduction, and then click on Get Noise Profile. Audacity now learns exactly what background noise sounds like. Don't skip this or nothing will work. Press Ctrl+A or double-click on the track to highlight your entire audio recording. This tells Audacity, apply the fix everywhere. Go back to Effect, scroll your mouse cursor to Noise Removal and Repair, and click Noise Reduction. Use the sliders to balance the noise reduction and sensitivity settings. Here is the secret. Start with low settings and increase slowly, or your voice will sound like a robot. Click the preview button to test the audio quality. Then click OK to process and remove the background noise from the whole track.